But you can't be successful alone. It's impossible to be successful alone because everything's interconnected in our world. Everything that we want to do is connected to something else. Look at an automobile. An automobile can't run without a motor, and a motor can't run without a battery, and a battery can't run without an alternator, and an alternator can't run without gas, and a car can't run without tires. And let's say you're the driver. You're the driver of the car. That's a good analogy for this video. You're the driver of the car of your life. You're the driver of the car of your life. How is the car? How are the tires? How's the seat? How's the steering wheel? Does it run well? Does it run well? The car is the community. The car is all the people, all the parts, all the millions of parts you need to be successful. You can't just sit in the seat and look through the windshield. You got to start the car. That's the first part. You got to step on the gas, the second part. All the parts. That's an analogy of all the parts out in the world and out in the universe that you have to tap into as the driver of your career, as the driver of your life, as the driver of your needs, as the driver of your desires and whatever you want in life, and desires that you want to bring into your life. All and everything, and I mean everything, love, understanding, family, money, wealth, happiness, loneliness, contentment, all that comes from putting yourself out there. You don't find the love of your life unless you're out there. You don't find the job of your life unless you're out there. You don't find the wealth that you want unless you put yourself out there. No matter what, no matter give up. Did I just stutter? I think I did. Here's the deal. See the end game. See the end game. Focus on the end game. Focus on the prize. Focus on the results. Focus on the success. Don't focus on the failures. Learn from the failures. Get back up. 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 And here's the thing. Here's the thing. I'm not 20. I'm not 30. I'm not 40. I'm not 50. I'm not 60. I'm 73. But I don't give up. I will not give up. If I can do this, you surely can do this, because there's people out there, maybe you, that have more than I have. Meaning, what is more? Time. You've got more time to fail, more time to make mistakes, more time to dig, more time to learn, more time to understand, more time to seek, more time to see what you want and figure out what you want. You've got time. I don't have that kind of time. I might have another good 10 years. I'm hoping to have another good 20 years. I don't know. There's no promise. There's no promise out there that says, oh, John, you're going to have 20 more years of good health and good life. I don't have that promise. We all create our own prisons, mentally and physically, emotionally, spiritually. We all create our own prisons. We do that because we don't believe in ourselves. We do that because there's that little bit of doubt. That little bit of doubt in our life that, no, John, you can't be a famous singer. You can't do that. You're too old. Or, John, you can't be a great songwriter anymore. You've already tried it and you failed and failed and failed and failed. So we keep failing. We keep failing over and over and over and over. But there comes a time in your life where you got to look where you are in your life and say, I'm done failing. I'm done failing. I am either running out of time chronologically because I'm getting older, I'm running out of patience, I'm running out of money, I'm running out of helping everybody else but me. But you need a coach. You need somebody behind you. You need somebody behind you to punch you, to tell you, go, do it, get it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Don't stop until you did it. That could be me. It could be me. Calm down, John. Take it down a level. Take it down a couple of notches. Quit yelling at everybody. I'm not yelling at you. I'm yelling for you. I'm your coach. I'm not yelling at you. I'm not denigrating you. I'm not being negative about you or on you. I'm trying to motivate you. But I cannot motivate you. You can only motivate yourself. All the motivational life coaches, I am not going to name any names anymore. They're all out there. And they're all bajillionaires selling their books and their whatever. What you need is somebody to tell you that you are amazing, and you are. Each and every one of you guys, especially you, are amazing. You guys are amazing. Each individual person that's watching this, I'm talking to you, are amazing. If you want that amazing life, if you want to realize that amazing dream in your mind, people, we do this over and over again. We tend to want to make our own prisons. We tend to want to make our own jails. We trap ourselves in relationships. We trap ourselves in jobs. We trap ourselves in all this bullshit. Yet it's not necessary. It's happening to you because you allow it to happen to you. Because when you were born and when you were little and when you were growing up as a little kid, you had no doubt. You had no fear. You had no reservation. You had no second thoughts. You just did it. I believe in you. I don't care what crazy idea you have. I'm behind you. I don't care what crazy thing you want to do. I believe in you. If you have that person in your life, be extremely thankful because they're very, very rare. Be extremely thankful because they are extremely rare people that do that. Because most people are selfish. If you start seeing a little bit of success, they get jealous and they start pushing you down. So what's this video about? You cannot achieve success alone. Break out of that. Get yourself in an environment where you can get the support that you need. When you get the support that you need that's around you, then you will start to blossom. And the doors will open and opportunity will start flowing your way and go, son of a gun. They recognize me. I invented this. It's a light bulb. They're going to buy my patent. But you can't do it until you get out there. And if you're in a situation, like I said earlier, like you're trapped, you're jailed, you put yourself there, you can get yourself out. Baby steps. Spend a little bit of time each day working towards that freedom. And get out there. End it with this. Nobody can be successful alone. Because it takes other people to recognize you, to put you where you believe you should be. Gotta do some editing. Love you guys. Subscribe to my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Okay? Love you guys. Gotta go. Bye now.